Yan pala si Mikoy eh.
Hirap yan. Parehas kulay.
Tag out na lang yung kabila, ano?
Kaya mo yan. Ayaw. Ay, cellphone.
Start of the volley. Crusaders gets the ball. Alicante no good.
Ay
Here
na.
comes the
Unang
volley.
punto sa kanya.
Three.
Sa kanya agad
Our first three-pointer of the ball game, making our target 3-0. Yours over to Alicante. Alicante drives, no good. Here's Aguilar. Aguilar. Yes, sir. 2 points from Aguilar, number 81, making the tie 5-0. Here is Jervis bringing down the basketball. Gives it to number 33, Bandita. Bandita drives, 2 points from number 33. 5-2 official score, under 9 minutes remaining in the first. Here's Garcia. Vinalion. Vinalion scores. His first basket of the ball game, 7-2.
Wala yung kapatid niya.
Basket is good for Tano. His first basket as well, 7-4. Aguilar. Walks into the defense, 2 points. 9-4. Here is Jerry, steps on the gas. Here comes the loose ball. 15 to shoot. Tano. Blocked by Vinalion. Here's Aguilar. Aguilar driving in to one corner. Rebound 22. Here comes Alicante. Number 31. Slowly but surely. Double. Rebound Vinalion. Garcia. Goes for Tino. Gives it to Picasso. Behind the head pass to Aguilar. 14 on the shot clock. Aguilar, no good. Recast to Alicante. 3-on-2 break. Alicante runner, 2 points. 9-6 our official tally, 7-28.
Foul
There
Jerz.
is a foul on number 7 jersey. That is his first personal foul, first team foul. 18 on the shot clock. Garcia simple to play. Vinalion. Vinalion. Vinalion pa. Wala. Alicante. Number 33. Bandita. Kick out Jerz. Jerz steps on the free goal line. Go. Pinasal. Wala. Rebound number 21. Garcia. Over to De Castro. De Castro fades. De Castro scores. 11-6. With under 7 minutes in our first quarter. Here is Jerz. Behind on Seroy. Jerz gets the loose ball. Last 12 seconds. Jerz! 3! Just a 1 possession ball game. 11-9. 6.5 remaining in the first. Miscommunication between De Castro and
Ano yung bola
Seroy.
kanina?
Dito. Dito na tayo.
Same basketball, last touch on the Panthers. Kyle receives the basketball. 50 on the shot clock. Kick out, Alicante all alone. Short, air ball. Put back, no good. Nakuha ni Aguilar. Baseball pass to De Castro. De Castro, touchdown, 2 points. 13-9. 5 minutes and 46. Here is Mangkita katabigan. Pero ito defense. Liglas. Anticipated pass. Number 11. Comes the basketball. Alicante. Save basketball. Last touch on the Panthers. 15 on the shot clock. 15 seconds to shoot.
Kaya MC Pabulas.
Wet.
Symbol lang tayo, symbol.
Save basketball. With 15 seconds on the shot clock.
Pataklin mo na to eh.
Jervis receives a pass. Tanya shoots. Go. Rebound de Leon. Same basketball with 19 seconds on the shot clock for the Panthers. 19 to shoot. Ginagawa. Go. Jervis, lead pass. Bandita. 2 points for number 33. There's a 1 possession ball, 13-11. Ariel. Change players. Our official tally is 16-11 in favor of the Panthers, with 5 minutes and 2 remaining in the first.
Pasok. Yeah, pasok tayo. Okay, start na.
Jervis crossing the timeline. Signaling the play. Gives it to number 12. Jervis. 12 to shoot. Jervis. Sidestep B. Same basketball. Last touch on the Panthers with 9 seconds on the shot clock. 9 seconds to shoot. 14 Crusaders. Nuevas. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. And the second fires. Go. Rebound sa Veron. Good defense. Nagawa. Nuevas. Mr. Pure Energy. No. But there is a loose ball foul on number 22 Nuevas. That is his first personal foul. Second team foul. Iglesias. Back to Iglesias. Iglesias, kick out. Number 16. 12 to shoot. Number 91. 10 down. No. Number 0. Iglesias about to ball. Rebound Calo. Calo steps on the gas. Calo crosses over. Calo shoots. No good. But there's a foul.
Number 0.
On number 0, that is his first personal foul. Third team foul. I'm sorry, first team foul, I should say. 2 free throws to number 3, Calo. Makes the second. 1 out of 2 on that trip on the line for Calo, making the tally 12 to 16. Still in favor of the Panthers. 15 on the shot clock. Solis, turn, there's a foul. Blocking foul.
12.
Number 12. That is his first personal foul. 13 foul. 14 on the shot clock. Iglesias, rebounding. Sinalen, ilabas. Sabi on Banks. 15 on sa Liceto. Counter steal. But there is a foul.
26.
On number 26, Aniceto.
First.
Aniceto, that is his first personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 free throws for Solis. Last throw on the way for Solis. Is no good. 1 out of 2. Good blocks by Cano. Nakakita sa likod. Araneta. 2 points. 19-12. Jervis. Nakawala. One move. Get out. Rebound Cano. Cano fakes. Cuevas all alone. Kick it out. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Jervis fires. Short. Lead pass, Salveron. 15 on the shot clock. Sa gitna, Solis. Close the layup. Araneta. 7 to shoot. Salveron, 5 to shoot.
Good.
Aniceto. Quickly to Cano. Aniceto. Lays out. 2 points. Credit the assist to Cano. 2 points, Aniceto. 19-14. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Amaran. Salveron. Solis fakes. Solis drives. Solis scores. 21-14. A minute and 42 remaining in the first. To shoot. Cano fakes, drives baseline, reverse layup is good. Timeout, Team Panthers. Official score is 21-16 in favor of the Panthers with a minute and 27 in our first quarter. Back to the ball game. Last 87 seconds remaining in the first. Panthers ball. Salveron crossing the midcourt. On the top of the key. Gives it to Araneta. 15 on the shot clock. Araneta tries to fade. Iglesias drives, kicks it out. Pamaran. 8 to shoot. Araneta powers his way, 2 points. 23-16. 15 points to Iglesias. Nakawal. Reverse layup. He's over. 25-16. Aniceto gives it to Cuevas. What a defense being shown by Panthers. Jervis, 15 on the shot clock. Cano drives, spins, fakes, shoots, no, blows the layup. Rebound Araneta. Araneta looking for a teammate, gives it to Solis. Good pass. Well played. Current assist to Solis, last 15 seconds. Jervis. With the first quarter, official score is 27-16 in favor of the Panthers.
Tira plano. Give me.
Back to the ball game, start of our second quarter. This is just our first game of the evening. Meron pa po tayong 2 games ahead. Steroid. to start the second. Gives it into the corner to Aguilar. Here is from Bandita. Abitawan. Cash recovers. Cash gives it to Aguilar. Aguilar, over to Seroy, all alone, fires. Rebound ni Galion. Di Galion. But there is a foul downstairs on number 33, Bandita. Bandita only his first personal foul, first team foul. 14 on the shot clock for Panthers. Cass. Being eyed by number 22. 8 to shoot. Good defense by Bandita. Last 5 seconds on the shot clock. Seroy. Repass Bandita. Jers lays up. Jers scores. 27 to 18 still in favor of the Panthers. Under 9 minutes. Cass takes. Cass fires. Cass scores.
Grabe yun, veterano.
29 to 18. Jers.
Nantay pa.
Jers. Ilalim. Number 22. Panthers ball. Last touch on black by the Crusaders. Anticipated pass by Bandita. Bandita goes on the way. Bandita scores. 29 to 20. Siya makalala. Here is Cass. Doing an arrow loose. But there's a block shot. 19 on the shot clock. 19 seconds to shoot. Sa ilalim ni Galion. Reverse layup. No. Ano? No. But there is a foul
Seroy.
on number 29, Seroy.
First.
Only his first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 22.
Nakarang kondisyon yun si Sir, yung daming 3 points yan eh. 4 ata.
No good on the second. 0 out of 2 on that trip on the line. Aguilar. Galion makes his move. Wow, move by Galion. Anticipated pass. Aguilar. In the middle. Aguilar lays up. Aguilar misses. Rebound Bandita. 3 on 2 break. Bandita goes all the way. But there is a foul caught on number 29, Seroy. That is his second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 33, Bandita. Misses on the first is Bandita. Cannot complete the second. Gets the miss. No, rebound Galion. Galion behind the back. Double behind the back. For number 21, Galion.
Grabe yung coast to coast.
33-20. Nalitan doon kalamangan. Sirs. Alicante. Pinale. Wala. Panthers ball. Seroy at the top of the key gives it to Galion. 15 on the shot clock. Seroy, 10 to shoot. Aguilar, answers his way. Aguilar, 2 points. What's the foul? On number 31, Alicante.
First.
Only his first personal foul, second team foul. Bonus free throw, awarded to number 81,
Bigyan
Aguilar.
doon.
No. Basket is good for number 9, De Castro. 37 to 20. Ito na po ang kalamangan ng Panthers.
Bigat nung Aguilar.
Bandita, natapikan. Save ball.
Bigat
14
ng Lopez
on
nun.
the shot clock. Kano shoots. In and out. Rebound Vidalion. Over to Aguilar. Aguilar sa ilalim. Good pass. But there is a foul caught on number 22. Number 22, only
Sino
his
dito?
first.
First lang, first.
Only the first second team foul. 2 free throws from De Castro. First one is good.
May planong tambakan niya. Ang mahabal niya na kose.
Wala ang pangalawa. Offensive ball, fake, shoots. But there is a foul. On
Alacante.
number 31,
Second.
Alicante. That is his second personal foul,
Third.
13 foul. 2 free throws for Aguilar. Gets the friendly roll. Wala ang pangalawang tira. Nakuha ni Cano. Cano, special on the gas. Cano, side step. Logan. Cas. Aguilar. Aguilar. Basket is good for Aguilar. Official timeout. Injury timeout.
Assist mo?
500 yan.
Ah,
Double sa ito. Kaya parang minabakbakan ko.
ako bahala sa'yo.
Jervis.
Masabi ako kali ah.
Bang, bahagian mo ako ha.
Maray ko.
43 to 20. Jervis. Fires. That not with the gas. De Castro is fouled. Foul on number 7, Jervis.
Second.
That is his second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Third.
Oh, 13 fouls, sorry.
Tato pa rin ako.
2 free throws.
Kaya pala bumabakbak, ah.
De Castro.
Wait lang. Pasok muna.
Good on the second. 1 and 2. Change players. Change players.
Pasok.
Official tally is 44 to 20.
Sige ah. Sulit kasi yung ano eh. Wala pa.
Yes, 15 to shoot.
Tayo, anin sa bila.
Technical violation. Sobrang clear.
Tinulak nila ako eh. Parehas kasi dyan.
Aniseta will take the technical free throw. Seconds on the shot clock. 14 to shoot for Team Crusaders. Seven to shoot. On the call, 3. 44 to 24. Garcia. Back to Iglesias. 14 to shoot. Araneta. Solis. The people behind the crowd. Iglesias. Solis. Yes, sir. 20 passes to Iglesias. 2 points for Solis. Jervis. 13 to shoot. Ramos. Turnover. Garcia shoots. Ano? Five.
Grabe yun.
Scores.
Tapos tumalon. Umilipad.
46-26. Dalawang buwang kalamangan. Araneta shoots. Rebound. Solis.
Kano
But there
first?
is a foul on number 3.
Fourth.
Kano. That is his first personal foul.
Fourth.
Warning for penalty. 14 to shoot. Iglesias. Last touch on the Panthers. Crusaders roll. Kano. James. 15 on the shot clock. Aniseto. Save basketball. Last touch on the Panthers. With 10 seconds on the shot clock. Wala. Rebound ng Aniseto. In and out. Nakakuha pa rin ang Aniseto. Nakagawa ni Garcia. Ligas. Team Panthers. Official score is 46-26 in favor of the Panthers with 2:45 seconds remaining in the second.
Kaya nila bumawi. Anong team itong mga to? WCBL? Bago?
Back to the ball game.
Hi ma'am. Okay na po ma'am. Sakay. Huwag na po galamit yung wire.
Wala tira.
Opo ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
Araneta. Pamaran. 15 seconds to shoot. Garcia. 10 seconds to shoot. Araneta. 5 seconds. Pamaran. Stepping on the sideline. Turnover. Jers, nakawala. 2 points. 46-28. 18-point lead. Under 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Pamaran. Cross court to Iglesias. Iglesias no. Rebound Kano.
Grabe yun.
Gusto ba lalakad yung pasok yun?
Mababa yung court ano din eh. Ring.
Pamaran. Garcia left the layup. Gets to bring it back. Jers. Jers. Sabay niya na kita. Garcia Iglesias. Garcia. Solis. Solis scores. Kano. Coast to coast. Rebound Araneta. But there is a foul on number 22, Nuevas.
Diba?
Penalty.
Second. Penalty.
Nuevas, that is his second personal foul. 3 free throws awarded to number 16, Araneta.
Di mo dinaog na dito. Kasi, madulang eh.
Good on the second is Araneta. 51-28. James. Nuevas.
Good oh?
Nuevas scores.
Yeah, boss.
51-30. Solis. Lead pass to Church. Church is up. 2 points. Last 15 seconds on the first half. 10 seconds. End of the first half. Official score is 54-32 in favor of Panthers.
Sapul lah. Sabi si Bebos
Bakit?
Pagkakasa ni Iglesias, yung sa corner, pinapakanan dito. Magsakat sa loob. Kaya. Ano? 40.
Sige, sige. Tapos itong balon ito, hindi ko naabot yung ring. Nalimaw itong balon, no?
Wala yun, ito sa picture to makeup eh. Kain yung dalawa eh.
Gaan ng katawan.
Payat eh.
Hindi, ano.
Start of our third quarter.
Change court.
Crusaders ball.
Pan!
Change court, change court.
Here's to start the third. Cano.
Grabe yung jump shot eh.
Abra,
Pakitin.
Yours. 8 to shoot. Pandita. Rebound na Gilar. Yunayon. Mabigay. Yes, sir. 36-32. Here's yours. 56-34. 22-point lead. Siroy. Manayaw. Aguilar. Yunayon. No. Kick out Aguilar. Cano. De Castro. Good defense by Alicante. Alicante. Alicante goes all the way. Panthers ball. With a 2 points. The pass of the defense. Saroy. Yes, sir. 60-34. Pandita. Cano. Pulls up. Malakas. Rebound number 22. Jones. Fires. Malakas. Rebound number 22. Pandita. Back shot is good from number 33. 60-36. Our official tally. Soy. Gives it to Aguilar. 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 No. Aguilar. Foul on Pandita. Time out.
First, second.
Crusaders. Pandita, that is the second personal foul for Silva. Official score is 16 to 36 in favor of the Panthers with 7 minutes and 27 remaining in the third.
Sila din sila mahal, kahit isa sila mahal, pag isa. Bakbak yan.
Balagpagan yan.
Back to the ball game.
Sino mo lang mataas.
14 on the shot clock. Vidalon. Seron. Rebound Bandita. Bandita. Basket is good. 60 to 38. Aguilar. Cano. Bandita. 2 points. Assist for Cano, 2 points Bandita. 40 to 60. Still in favor of the Panthers. Manaya.
Puta.
Bulog yung bola ko.
2-1. Bandita. Gets his own miss. Wala pa rin. De Castro. Aguilar. Kick out. 3 seconds in the key. Turnover.
Sa 3 seconds nakakapasa.
Naghahabol ng assist yung Aguilar. Ayaw tumira. Nagpepa.
Double daw.
James to Alicante. Alicante drives. Runner. No. Rebound Aguilar. Seroy. Manayaw. Binalyon. Binalyon din si Chewy.
Good.
Jers. Bandita. 2 points. 62-42 still in favor of the Panthers. 5 minutes and 17 remaining in the third. Aguilar brings down the basketball.
Kailangan rin ng 30 mahigit.
12 to shoot. Vidalon. Same basketball. With 7 seconds on the shot clock. 7 seconds to shoot. There's a foul on number 22, Mr. Pierre Energy Nuevas. That is his third personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws
Tatlo
for
pa lang assist
Castro.
nun eh. Oh, Aguilar. Tatlo pa lang yun. Marami siyang
1
rebound.
out of 2, splitting the charity. What a hit by
Buti ka
Mr.
pa.
Nuevas.
Buti ka pa isip doon na puta.
Jers to Watts.
Sayang.
I love the energy by Nuevas.
It's a prank.
Aguilar. In the middle, Manayaw, De Castro, right layup is good. 65-44. Cano, stops on 9, no. Rebound Vidalon. Aguilar. Aguilar, waits for a teammate. 16 on the shot clock. Manayaw fires. Put back 2 for Vidalon.
Tamak ba yung ano dyan? Yung rebound mo?
Meron.
Number 9,
Sino tumira? Sino tumira?
Si ano? Ito, number 9.
Number 9.
Tatlo pa lang. Pahabol ka.
40 to shoot. Six to shoot. Fresh 14. But there is a foul caught on number 9, De Castro.
First.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 3.
Basta 10.
Para double yun. Nag-aabulo. Nag-aabulo.
Made the certain adjustments. 1 out of 2. Splitting the charity is Cano. 17-45. Aguilar. Dinalon. Scores. Currently assist to Aguilar. 2 points for Dinalon.
5.
Wala pa rin. Dinalon with the board. Dinalon. Behind the back. Aguilar. Aguilar. De Castro. 2 points for De Castro. 74-45.
Anim na.
Alicante Aguilar.
4 na lang. 4 na assist na lang.
Aguilar. De Castro. De Castro scores.
Tatlo na.
76-45. Jers.
Isip nyo, isip nyo.
Wala. Jers, second serving. Good. 76-47.
Ayun.
Aguilar. 15 on the shot clock. Vitalion fires. No. Limang Saloy. Vitalion. Basket. Plus a foul. On number 33, Pandita. Pandita, that is his third personal foul.
Third.
13 foul. Pass bonus free throw for Vitalion. Wala. Rebound Cano.
Gumanin din nila.
Alicante. At Santos play, 2 points for Jers. Assist for Alicante. Aguilar. Vitalion, 2 points. Assist to Aguilar.
Dalawa na lang.
Dalawa.
Jers. Good defense by Bertel. No good. That's the shot. Aguilar. Solis. 2 points.
Isa na lang.
82-49.
Wala pa yung Vidal yun. Wala pa.
No. Rebound Vitalion.
Double na yan. Assist na lang kulang.
De Castro.
Yun!
De Castro.
Sayang. Sablay, sayang. Isa na lang.
Rojas. Basket from Rojas.
Kaka na lang.
82-51.
Sila!
De Castro.
Yun!
2 points. 84-51.
Ayos na.
Jers. But there is a blocking
Manayaw.
foul on number 4, Manayaw.
First.
Only his first personal foul, second team foul.
11 na nga pala eh. Yung sa kanya, wala. Assist niya, 2 pa lang eh.
Noelas 3! 84-54.
30.
3-second differential between the shot clock.
Siya naman yung sa ilalim.
Ay, gano'n na ilalim.
Aguilar. Jers. Touchdown.
Ayaw mo!
End of the third quarter. Official score is 84-56. Still in favor of Team Panthers.
Wala pa lang 8 assist nun. May Vidal yun. Para ano. Pag triple double daw, ano daw eh, 1,000 to eh. Baka malaki babayaran niya.
Ilan na assist ni Mark?
Kompleto na yun.
Double na ba siya? Triple
Oo,
na.
ay puto na puto. Ayan, ano ka.
Triple na siya?
Oo, triple na yun. Huwag ka na.
Out! Out! Out ka na.
1,000.
1,000 ano eh. Cash out na.
Ruelas. Jers. 15 to shoot.
Basket.
Malakas. Iglesias. Lead pass to Solis. Number 91, Solis. Over the pass. Takes. 2 points for number 8, pass. 86 to 56.
Ready ka. May sakit-sakit ka.
15 on the shot clock. Go. Pass. Go.
Yan yung manager nila eh. Attorney yan eh.
Jers. Ruelas. Takes. Atapican. Solis. Pamaran. Iglesias. Back to Iglesias. Pamaran. Iglesias. Close layup. Pamaran. Wala. Ruelas. Side step. Yes, sir. 86-15.
Pag ito din nila inayos, malalaglag to sila sa quotient.
15 issue. In and out. But there is a foul on number 91, Solis.
First,
Only his first personal foul, first team foul. Jers. Sa gitna, Aniceto. Pulls up. No. Rebound Solis. Iglesias, behind the back. Iglesias lays out.
wala pa yung ano,
This is a foul on number 12.
pangalawang maglalaro, wala pa. Late na naman ata. Yari tayo dito.
Two free throws.
Sila
to
pa,
number
no?
11,
R&B na.
Iglesias.
Hindi yun, sa third game yan naman ngayon eh. Third game yan. Second game, oh. Second game yung ano, yung R&B, yung matatanda, tsaka yung green.
Offensive rebound. Wala ka rin. Ruelas. Aniceto. 2 points. 86 to 60. Pass.
Galing.
No. Aniceto got that. 2 points. Jers. Kick out. The number 12. Rebound Araneta. Araneta sumubok.
Wala pa yung R&B tsaka D4. Hanip yan.
Water colors.
Oh. I-mention mo sa ano? Sa club.
Salas kaya.
Oo.
Iglesias.
Yung D4, team D4 tsaka R&B. Asa na ka?
Rebound Iglesias.
Late. Malilate na naman tayo.
There's a foul on number 22.
22. Sino yun? Nuevas? Ay hindi. Tabios. Second.
That is his second personal foul, first team foul.
Mamaya. Mamaya po pag na-shoot. Pasok sa...
Huwag na kaya, mamaya ako na naman.
Mamaya.
Pag pumasok na pangalawa ka.
Bless yun eh, no? Pasok. Sub.
Wala pa. Wala kang bumaw.
91-60. Jers pulls up.
Time out na lang. Nakapasok ka.
Ramos, Mr. Pure Energy, 2 points. Two points for pass.
I-time out mo na lang, sir.
4 ballers
Here's
there.
Sunday over to Bamaran.
Oh, 4 bowlers saka yung R&B.
30 bases to pass.
Oh.
2 points for Bamaran. Ramos. But there is a foul on number 91, Solis.
Second.
Solis, that is his second personal foul.
Yung R&B tsaka yung D4.
2 shots to number 22, Ramos.
Malilate na naman tayo.
R&B?
Oo.
Ako papadefault na lang kasi silang dalawang tao.
Bahala silang dalawa. Hindi dalawang default yun, walang pumunta na team. Silang dalawa default.
Palis pwede sila.
Oo. Dapat may representative sila dito.
Sila, huwag naman tayo maana.
Number 162. And Iseto blows the layup. Number Solis.
Bigay na.
Nabigay na eh.
James. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin.
Foul!
James.
Walo pa ang hahabulin mo.
Solis.
Solid. Marami pa yung hahabulin. 4 na rebound pa lang eh, tapos 2 assist.
Sa free throw sa defense nila.
Kapag sa lahat.
Araneta. 2 points.
Ikaw na lang yung may pag-asa eh. 8 assist pa.
Foul on number 12. Substitution. Oh, 0. Pamaran. Sorry.
First,
Only his first
Second
personal foul, second team foul.
Hindi niya kayo Solis.
solid, wala kayo.
Yung mga nag-double ba ka?
Yung may chance, yung isa, yung Vidal yun.
Kita nyo, dalawa sila.
Pwede yan kasi, pero yung assist na 2 pa lang eh. Ayun na,
Sabi ka,
3 assist na yan.
Wala na yan. Double na to ah.
Ha?
Double na.
Yung yung Aguilar, yung Vidal yun na lang hinahabol nila eh. Kailangan niya rin daw eh.
2 points.
Ang ginawa ito, makukita mo. Ilan pa kailangan assist?
2 points Dallas. Sabi na. Vidal yun.
Super si Capre! Super yan si Capre!
Attempt to shoot. 2 points for Jervis.
6 pa, 6!
Wala.
Balik mo yun.
Basket plus a foul.
4 na lang.
Substitution.
Grabe. Grabe best friend.
Bonus free throw awarded to number 81, Aguilar.
Mali pala yung nilagyan ko po. Napunta kay Di Castro yung points.
2 points.
Kaya kasi kami din ah.
110 to 66.
Di mo lalaki si...
4 na lang, 4.
Why did I know?
Kaya.
Aguilar. 2 points, Aguilar.
Tatlo. Tatlo pa. Tatlo.
Tatlo na lang, tatlo.
Tatlo na.
Bigay mo dun!
Ito.
Ito yun. 2 points, Garcia. Jers. Maagaw. De Castro.
Takbo, mabaka.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Kanila.
2 points, De Castro.
Sana lang. Sana lang. Sana lang.
Bihati kami dyan ha.
Huevas. Wala.
Ayun na.
Sab na, sab. Kompleto na.
Timeout, Team Panthers. Official score is 118-68 in favor of the Panthers with 1:24 remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Back to the game.
Problema yung manager Pag triple-double daw.
Last 84 seconds of action.
Hindi para sila. Ay. Sila pala.
2 points, second serving Rosales.
Double lang yan. Tapos ubus yung pera dyan.
Huevas.
Foul.
But there is a foul on number 91, Solis. Solis, that is his third personal foul, 13 foul. 2 free throws for Dallas.
Dapat nung nakaraan, ganun eh.
Nakaraan, kondisyon
Sayang
ka.
sa ano.
Kondisyon ka nakaraan Ngayon, wala na.
0 out of 2. Solis. Solis.
Akin na din mo.
Solis.
Sakla, tol.
2 points.
Sumama ka rin.
Kunin mo yan, Tornin! Di ba pasa sa iyan?
Huevas.
Wala 3 seconds!
Sana lang.
Isa na lang ito na. Isang rebound na lang, pare!
Ayun, ganito. Porkit nakatapos to.
Para may pambuha ka na! Para isang... Pumiyasa dyan!
Ba't binigay dyan?
Pumiyasa! Kaya! May mato!
42.
Pare, isang rebound! Isang rebound!
Last 3 seconds to shoot.
Good. Salamat, Chelsea.
End of the ball game.
Umabot.
Official score is 122.
Double mo, hindi.
And the winner is Team Panthers.
Ilan ba? 11 yan, 11. 11 rebounds.
Sino ano? Ito?